On a cold and blustery morning, at the start of Nantucket's scallop season, which goes from November 1st to March 31st, I leave the harbor with my friend Bruce Cohen, a longtime scalloper, at the crack of dawn for a day of commercial scalloping. In the harbor, Bruce methodically plans out a course that he will follow and throws out 4 dredges that scrape the bottom of the harbor, which is about 6 to 8 feet deep, to gather Nantucket Bay scallops, which my daughter calls the gems of the ocean. After a few minutes, a mechanical winch is used to haul the dredges up into the boat, as well as to assist with the unloading of the contents of the dredges. Duds and other trap creatures are thrown back, but the invasive green crabs are automatically destroyed as they kill the eelgrass in which the scallops live. Scallops are sorted, and good quality keepers are scallops with a good growth ring, which is usually about 2 years old. For every bucket that I filled, Bruce filled 5. Each commercial scalloper has a license to harvest 5 bushels of scallops, and on average, this amounts to about 8 pounds of scallop meat per bushel, depending on the season. This year, Bruce said that he was averaging about 6 pounds of scallop meat per bushel. Upon returning back to the shanty, scallops are shucked. For every 1 scallop I shucked, they shucked 20. I don't think they'll be hiring me anytime soon, but thanks, Bruce, for allowing me to get a glimpse of what it takes to be a commercial scalloper. I'll stick to developing some Nantucket Bay scallop recipes.
How's that?
That is amazing.
That's a dead one.
Mine was like slow motion.
More recipes can be found on SammyWong'sKitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!